Ko Mokoia tōku ingoa. He uri ahau no ngā waka e toru, tōku maru, kura haupō me te aroa. Ko te atiawa Taranaki iwi, tō Ngāti Whakaue tōku iwi. E noho ana au ki konei, ki ngā motu. It's significantly special to me, this place. Onuku Taipari is how I know this place, but many would probably call it Back Beach. This place has been a source of inspiration and to remind myself of how important it is to carry my taranakitanga. I grew up on this beach. I learned how to swim here. I learned how to surf here. It's definitely an important place for me to come to whenever I feel low or I need to install some grounding. For a long time, I can say myself, as I'm sure many others can, it's an ongoing journey, finding that balance, because life is always going to change, and change is actually good. Being uncomfortable is good. I think for me, in the position that I'm in now, I like to put it down to having my own recipe, and I think there's important things and important elements that we should focus on. The spiritual side, for me, that's the most important thing, but also our mental space, our physical space. So having those wins every day, I actually have a little bit of a checklist that I follow that works for me, and it's breaking it all down, so making sure I'm having one of those wins at least every day. Taha tinana for my physical well-being, making sure that I'm staying active, and exercise that actually I can grow and learn from. Maurako has been really, really significant in that space, same as kapahaka. But as well as using our taiao, I definitely think we have the luxury of having whenua like this that we can utilise. Even just connecting with our papatūānuku is an exercise in itself, which also increases our mental and emotional well-being as well. Tuna are one of the many things I communicate with. This would go back beyond me though. I have to acknowledge my tupuna who have been kaitiaki of these tuna for many years before me. I'm fortunate to live in my homestead, which goes back almost 100 years now, and our homestead is right beside the Wawakaio River, where these tuna have lived for many years. I've heard stories since I was very, very young of how our nannies and our kuia and all of our whānau have had their own interactions and engagement with our tuna, and that it is a responsibility for us to care for them and also take guidance from them as well. And I think that's been pivotal for me since living in this space and seeing the effects that the tile has on them. I actually had not seen them myself physically for quite a while before I moved in. I was going through a bit of a dark time, and it wasn't until I started to listen to the guidance that I felt drawn to until they came to visit me finally. I felt very achieved after they decided to make their presence known, because I had been waiting for quite a while. I have a very, very strong connection with them, and I'm very protective of them also. They are just a constant reminder of who I come from, and it's just that direct link and connection that I have with my own tupuna who have lived in my whare. Definitely know that they are my maurito of every day. Unuia, unuia, unuia I te uru tapu nui, kia wātia, kia māma, te nākau, te tinana, te wairua I te ara takatū. Koe ara, e rongo o te iria a te aira, kua wātia, kua wātia.